Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Amazon shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can browse through various different products. Now, if you wish to change the language on which the application interface is based, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom section and you will see the flag icon at the top right. Just tap on this menu and now you will see the language option in the middle. Just tap on this menu and you can choose from the list of various different languages that are available for the app. Go ahead and click on your preferred language and then tap on the done button in order to confirm your change. Once you tap on this, the language for the application will be changed right away and you can go back into the same menu in order to change your language settings in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Amazon shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.